Hey guys, okay, I review about one CTF question from Cyber Sea Games 2019 and it's called Unlock. This CTF question based on binary categories, but it's more toward network forensic. I extract the file content for analysis of the data, so the content has one folder and one PCAP file. I open PCAP files with Wireshark tools. Let's go to explore the packet logs. What I researched for ARP is ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocols. Now, this is a protocol that used to resolve the IP address to MAC address. I attach a link to know more details about ARP. Let's to understand on HTTP protocol and streams. The Simple Service Discovery Protocol (SSDP) is a network protocol based on the Internet Protocol Suite for broadcast and discovery of network service and presents information. I also append the link to understand more detail about SSDP. TCP/3 handshake is happening. SYN stands for synchronize. Is a process to initiate and establish a connection. ACK stands for acknowledgement. Is for confirming to the other side that is received the SYN. FIN to terminate the connection. TLS, which stands for Transport Layer Security, is a protocol for securing communication between the client and the server. It is used explicitly in the HTTPS protocol that was S stands for. I add the link to understand more details about TLS. So, what I can see have encrypted application data. There is nothing inside the TLS stream. I open back to see another folder that extract. The folder has HTTPD and PKI. What is that? HTTPD and PKI usually in the Apache web server to deploy and secure channel of the website. PKI stands for Public Key Infrastructure. Is a two-key asymmetric crypto system. It is a framework that allows different IT systems to have a high level of information confidentiality through secure data encryption. I append the link to understand more detail about PKI. It looks like HTTPD content doesn't give some hint to decrypt the TLS data. In PKI, I looked that TLS exists inside the PKI folder and it contains a certificate for TLS. The server key might be useful for decrypt the TLS data, but I check others data as well. I need to know how can use certificate key on Wireshark. It looks like information TLS process inside the Wireshark. RSA key list is what I want. It shows how to decrypt TLS data using a certificate key. It uses a private key for decryption. Let's put the private key into the Wireshark for decryption. What I see is the TLS data was decrypted. Let's explore the packet log again. I use TLS stream to see the flow for TLS process. So, I got it the flag. Yeah!
Hi guys, jangan lupa untuk subscribe YouTube saya dan onkan bell icon anda. Terima kasih.